So you go to joomshaper.com, and at the very bottom of the page, you can click where it says templates. Here you can be able to filter through the type of template that you want to use. Now, templates are great because they're pre-made. They have the bells and the whistles that you need in order for you to get your store up and going a lot faster. When you design your store from scratch, you would have to, put in the information, you have to put in the products and all those things. But with a ready-made template, you can just tweak that. So let's take a look at some of the options that we have here for a template. So let's say that you want to get your store up and going and you want to do it fast. Templates are the best and the fastest way to do that. So let's take a look at some of the e-commerce options that they have. So these are just some of the designs that you can choose from to get your online store up and going. So you scroll through here. You can click to get more details about each one. And there's no right or wrong way to choose one. It's all about what you want to present. So the demo one that they have right now. So let's take a look at, for example, the details for this. And you get a preview here. So you can preview this to see if you like how it looks and just see some of the features that come with it in terms of the layout, the optimization, how everything works. So I'm going to go through here. I like how this looks. So let's say that I wanted to preview this. I'm going to click on preview. This is going to allow me to preview this template to see if it has the look or the style that I want to go for. So I'm going to go through here and just kind of, play around with it to see how it looks. And let's say I wanted to see this here. I'm going to click on this product. So, okay, so I'm looking at this now and I like how the overall looks. It's simple, it's clean, and it looks professionally done. I can choose the different options. Now, this is really great because if you don't want to do all this work, instead of having to build this from scratch, you can just select this template and then you can edit every part of this. But before you do that, I recommend that you go through to see the style that you're looking for, something that fits your business. So let's say I'm going with this one and I like how this looks. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to have to do now is, let me just check it out some more. So take your time to check out the template because this is exactly what your store is going to look like. So I'm just going through now. The product type, see there's men, unisex, women. Again, I'm going to show you how to add more or to delete what you don't need from the template. So I can choose this, I can choose colors. So far, I'm going to check everything out. I click around to add, to remove, to see how it looks when you add stuff to the cart. So I've added this to the cart. Let me add this to the cart. And I want to see how it looks. So let me go to visit cart. And then I want to go to proceed to checkout or continue shopping. So again, these are just some of the ways and the things that you do before you purchase anything. So I'm going to click on the cart right here. So far, I like how this looks. And I want to use it to build my online store. So what we're going to take a look at next is we're going to download this template. And then I'm going to walk you through step by step so you can know where to edit, how to edit it, and how to replace everything you see here with your own photos, with your prices. You can change the colors. You can change the background. You can add call outs like these and so many other things.